that you have for us today?
I'm Grace Gomez and I am the Adopter Diversity Engagement Officer, and I work for PACT charity, and that stands for Parents and Children Together. So we are a voluntary adoption agency and we have offices here in Milton Keynes. We're trying to recruit more Black African, Black Caribbean and mixed heritage people to adopt the children that are waiting for a permanent home. So that's why we're here today.
Okay. Explain about that adoption well for us.
Okay, so unfortunately Black children are overrepresented in the care system. While they make up 5% of the UK population, they're 7% in the care system, and then once they're in the care system, only 2% of them are likely to go on to be adopted. So it's really important that we encourage more Black African, Black Caribbean and mixed ethnicity people to come forward and adopt the children in care.
Okay, so if somebody, maybe the last year somebody didn't listen to us,
Yeah.
but if somebody wants to adopt the child, what is the process?
So we're a voluntary adoption agency. We've been rated outstanding 3 times with Ofsted. So they would come to us. They start with an information sharing meeting, and if people wanted to proceed, then we would go on to the adoption process, which is done in 2 stages, and the whole actual process just takes 6 months. It has a reputation for being very long and difficult, but actually it's very thorough. But the whole process from the time you inquire and put your application in and go to panel takes 6 months. So once you've been approved, and then we have a dedicated family finder, and then they help people to match with their family, with their children or children. So it really is rewarding, and we need more Black people and Black African people to come forward, because as I said, those children are left in the care system because there are not enough Black people coming forward to adopt.
So anyone qualified to adopt?
Yeah, so really you need to be over 21. You have to live in the UK. You can own your own home or rent. You can be single, in a relationship, so that's the main thing really, but you must be over 21. So people think there are a lot of barriers, but actually there isn't. You don't have to have a certain income, because people think you have to be rich to adopt, but you don't. It's for all. We need all people from all walks of life, because the children from all walks of life as well.
Okay, your final word to people.
Sorry?
Your final word to people.
I would just say, if something you're interested or thinking about, go to our website, www.pactcharity.org, and there's lots more information on your website. I also go to local churches to talk to people of faith, because for Christians, like, adoption is part of the foundation of our faith, being adopted into the family of God. So I also go to local churches, so people wanted me to come to a church and do a talk, I did do that as well. But anybody's interested, I would direct them to the website and come along to an information event. They're held online twice a month.
Any telephone number?
Sorry?
Any telephone number?
No, if you just go to www.pactcharity.org, and then you'll find the inquiries team there.
Okay. Say hello to your friends.
Hello, thank you everybody.